found a pretty good spot for breakfast, and it's not too cold today, which is good. So time to eat and drink tea, not beer. Kind of early for beer anyway, so I didn't go far, and the section 48 is closed. The fire that I saw yesterday is burning back there, so it's 65% contained, but the road is closed, so I can't go through. So I'm gonna have to go around, go to a little town, Tillow, and go back on the trail back there. And I forgot to add that down the road, 2 miles up the road, a gentleman there told me that there is the sugar pine. It's like the biggest pine tree in the world. It's 7 feet in diameter, over 500-year-old, and he gave me a pine cone, which is just huge. It's the biggest pine cone I've seen. It looks like a pineapple. So this is cool. Another part of section 48 is closed, but I'm pretty sure that I can jump over that. I mean, if I get enough speed, you know, should be able to do it. Yeah, okay, maybe another day. Well, time to backtrack again. I finished quite early today, so I went to a campground and it's deserted. Well, I mean, who goes camping during the week, really? So I'm gonna, as usual, eat something, drink something, and relax. That was a very interesting day, as you saw in the video. So and tomorrow, day 20, is a very special day, or a very special section, but I'll tell you more tomorrow morning, I guess. So you have to wait. Good night, everyone, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.